Hello students of 9th standard. Today we will read section A, prose comprehension, fill in the blanks vocabulary and prose textual question main text. तो जो हमारा सिलेबस है उसमें चैप्टर हमारे कौन कौन से आ रहे हैं। जो हमारी बिहाइव बुक है उसमें आ रहे हैं चैप्टर 1 to 4. Chapter first, the fun they had. Second, the sound of music. Third, the little girl. And fourth, a truly beautiful mind. तो ये 4 चैप्टर है, ये हमारे सेमेस्टर 1 में इंक्लूडेड है। तो चलिए आज हम इनका क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो करते हैं। चैप्टर फर्स्ट, द फन दे हैड। अब इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर है वो डिस्कस करते हैं। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट, हाउ ओल्ड आर मार्गी एंड टॉमी? मार्गी इज 11 एंड टॉमी इज 13 years old. What did Margie write in her diary? Answer, Margie wrote in her diary, today 17th May 2157, Tommy found a real book. Question third, had Margie ever seen a book before? Answer, no, Margie had never seen a book before. Question fourth, what things about the book did she find strange? Answer, the book had yellow and wrinkled pages. The words of the book were still. They did not move as the words moves on the computer screen. She found these things strange. Question fifth, what do you think a tally book is? Answer, a tally is displayed on the television screen and the text of a tally book is similar to a book. Question number 6, where was Margie's school? Did she have any classmate? Answer, Margie's school was near her own bedroom. She did not have any classmates. Question 7, what subjects did Margie and Tommy learn? Answer, Margie learnt geography and mathematics. Tommy learnt history and mathematics. तो अब ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हुआ। अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर है वो करते हैं। चैप्टर 2, द साउंड ऑफ म्यूजिक। क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट है, हाउ ओल्ड वॉज एवलिन व्हेन शी वेंट टू द रॉयल एकेडमी ऑफ म्यूजिक? तो आंसर है, एवलिन वॉज 17 years and old when she went to the Royal Academy of Music in London. Question 2, when was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Answer, her deafness was first noticed when she was 8 years old and it was confirmed when she was 11. Next question है 30 to 40 words में, who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Answer है, Ron Forbes helped her to continue with music. He spotted her potential and said, don't listen through your ears. Try to sense it some other way. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है, नेम द वेरियस प्लेसेस एंड कॉज फॉर विच एवलिन परफॉर्म्स। तो आंसर है, एवलिन परफॉर्म फ्री कंसर्ट्स इन प्रिजन्स एंड हॉस्पिटल्स. सी मेड म्यूजिक हर लाइफ and performed many regular concerts. How does Evelyn hear music? Answer, Evelyn was deaf by the time she was 11, but she did not give up. She was determined to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Ron Forbes, a percussionist, spotted her potential. He asked her not to listen through ears but try to sense it some other way. She realized she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Forbes repeated the exercise and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. She learned to open her body and mind to sound and vibration. She herself explained, it pours in through every part of my body. It tingles in the skin, my cheekbones, and even my hair. When she played on the xylophone, she could sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. On the wooden floor, she used to remove her shoes so that the vibration may pass through her bare foot and up her legs. Now we will discuss part 2, the Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. Question first, why did Aurangzeb ban the playing of the pungi? Answer, Aurangzeb banned the playing of the pungi because it had a shrill and unpleasant sound. Question 2. How is a Sehnai different from a Pungi? Answer. A Sehnai is pipe with a natural hollow that is longer and broader than a Pungi. It has 7 holes on the body of the pipe. Question 3. Where was the Sehnai played traditionally? How did Bismillah Khan change this? Answer. The Sehnai was played traditionally in the temple, at the royal court, and on the occasion of weddings. The credit must go to Bismillah Khan to take his instrument onto the classical stage. Question 4. When and how did Bismillah Khan get his big break? Answer. Bismillah Khan got his big break with the opening of the All India Radio in Lucknow in 1938. Fifth, where did Bismillah Khan play the Sehnai on 15 August 1947? Why was the event historic? Answer. Bismillah Khan played the Sehnai on 15 August 1947 at the Red Fort. He was the first Indian to greet the national nation with his musical instrument. This event was historic because we got independence on that day. He poured his heart out in the presence of a large number of people, including Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Question 6. Why did Bismillah Khan refuse to start a Sehnai school in the USA? Answer. He refused to start a Sehnai school in the USA because he never wanted to leave India. He loved India so much and he did not want to settle anywhere except India. That is why whenever he was in a foreigner country, he kept yearning to see Hindustan. Question 7. Find at least 2 instances in the text which tell you that Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras. Answer. Bismillah Khan loves India and Banaras. The Sound of Music 197. From the bottom of his heart, he says that he misses the Holy Ganga and India when he goes abroad. While in Mumbai, he thinks of only Banaras and the Holy River. And when he is in Banaras, he remembers the unique mutt of Dumrao. Chapter 3. The Little Girl. Question first. Why was Kezia afraid of her father? Answer. Kezia was afraid of her father because he was strict, who always used to give commands to everybody in the house. He never played with her. He was very big. His hands and neck were also big. Especially when he yawned, his mouth also looked big. She was especially terrified with the manner in which he looked at her over his spectacles. Question number 2. Who were the people in Kezia's family? Answer. Kezia's family had her mother, father, grandmother and herself. Question 3. What was Kezia's father's routine before going to his office? Before going to his office, Kezia's father usually went into her room to give her a casual kiss. And B. After coming back from his office, he ordered for tea to be brought into the drawing room. He also asked Kezia's mother to bring him the newspaper and his slippers and Kezia to pull off his boots. See, on Sundays. On Sunday, Kezia's father would stretch out on the sofa. He would cover his face with his handkerchief, put his feet on one of cushions and sleep peacefully. Question number 4 है, in what ways did Kezia's grandmother encouraged her to get to know her father better? Answer. Kezia's grandmother encouraged her to get to know her father better by sending her to the drawing room to talk to her parents on Sunday. She also suggested Kezia to make a pin cushion out of a beautiful piece of yellow silk as a gift for her father's birthday. Chapter 3. The Little Girl. Question answer is completed. Chapter 4. A Truly Beautiful Mind. 4 से स्टार्ट करते हैं. क्वेश्चन 1 to 3 वो टेक्स्ट बुक में है. क्वेश्चन 4 है, what did Einstein call his desk drawer at the patent office and why? Answer. Einstein called his desk drawer at the patent office the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. This was because the drawer was where he used to store his secretly developed ideas. Question 5th. Why did Einstein write a letter to Franklin Roosevelt? Answer. Einstein wrote a letter to Franklin Roosevelt to warn about the destructive effect of bomb and also wanted to encourage them to make a bomb to utilize its destruction potential. Question 6. How did Einstein react to the bombing of Hiroshima and Nagasaki? Answer. Einstein was deeply shaken by the extent of destructions on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He wrote a public message to the United Nations. He proposed the formation of a world government to stop the nuclear weapons. Question 7. Why does the world remember Einstein as a world citizen? Answer. Einstein is remembered as a world citizen as much as a genius scientist because of his efforts towards world peace and democracy and for his crushed against the use of arms. So question answer is completed. All question answer as a revision, write your notebook and learn also.